Hello everyone, my name is Manuel, I'm a Surfskate instructor in Ericeira, Portugal, and I would like to explain you how to generate speed on a surfskate. Number 1. Start moving your front ankle up and down. Some call it up and down, some say left and right. I want your front foot to move like a fish who is swimming through water with the intention of moving forward. Number 2. Add your whole leg to the movement. For now you were wiggling or moving your front ankle. Now I want your whole leg to apply pressure on the toe side and on the heel side. Try to move the whole skateboard towards the toe side and then back towards the heel side. And add up a little the pace. As faster you're gonna pace this movement, as better and as more effect you're gonna get out of it. Number 3. Add your back leg to the movement. For now, the front leg was doing the whole effort. Now we want the back leg to help a little bit. How I like to explain it is that the back leg is just following the movement of the front leg, but with a little time delay. So when the front leg is pushing to the front, the back leg is still pushing to the back. And if the front leg is pushing to the back leg is pushing to the front. Try to create a harmony between both legs and try to apply as much force on the skateboard as possible. Number 4. Add your whole body to the movement. For now, we had only our legs doing the job. Now I want to add your core, your shoulders, your body, your arms especially to the movement. Bring your arms wherever the skateboard goes and bring your eyes wherever your arms are pointing at. So your eyes and your arms should point to the same spot on the floor. Try to have your arms on a horizontal position because what we want to gain horizontal forces. All this movement is about to gain speed, and speed goes into a horizontal force. Number 5. Your knees. Your knees are not doing a big of a movement, but it's super important. So on every turn you are doing, I want your knees to compress a little bit, and of every turn you are riding out, I want your knees to decompress a little bit. Just a tiny bit of direction will have a big impact on the skateboard. Thank you so much guys for tuning into my video. I hope I could help you to generate a bit more speed on your surfskate, and if you want more tips and tricks, just make sure to subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.